Nano Banana, a retouching model with the mysterious code name, in less than 1 week made everyone's jaw drop, and basically took first place, crossing the leaderboards' major application scenario rankings. Its ability and quality in imaging retouching and modification surpassed the former open-source models and even closed-source models by a whole new level. So, what exactly is this all about? In this episode, let us dive in and actually use this model to see how powerful it really is. Hello everyone, I'm Henry, welcome to TubeU channel. Now we know this Nano Banana is actually Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image pre-version. Google has officially announced this application on its website and also gave us a chance to try it. We can log into Google Studio to test its various functions. For image editing and in painting, the main application scenarios are: first, character or person consistency. Let's look at this image. This is a girl making a phone call on a crowded street. Let's first remove the background crowd. You can see the background people has all been removed. At the same time, the girl's consistency is maintained very well. She is wearing the same brand of clothes and carrying the same bag. Now let's change her outfit. Put a pink skirt on her. We can see this outfit changing function is also very good. The character consistency stays excellent. We change the scene to a beach, have her wear a bikini. Also very good. We make close-up of her upper body and have her face the sea with no bag. We can see she is just like a professional model. We can give her all kinds of instructions, let her changing into all kinds of clothing, and hold various products, strike all sorts of different poses. And we can also control the camera to shoot photos from all kinds of angles. Now let's give her a very difficult challenge. A female model plus a pile of clothes and accessories. Let's see whether Banana can surprise us. Oh my god! Not only is she wearing the skirt we prepared, but the extra pair of the blue jeans in the picture was conveniently placed over her shoulder. At the same time, she put on her high heels and placed the extra pair of the blue shoes on the ground. Put on sunglasses, holding a phone, and the bag is naturally carrying in her hand. Very simple, no more perfect, fulfill our requirements. Let's try another product style. This time something finally went wrong. She posed in the same stance, but clearly there was an extra hand. Let's tell it to correct this mistake. After the correction, it finally fixed it. Let's look at a simple product showcase effect. This time, we added a glossary effect to the product. The product's logo also became clear. The effect is still very good. This time, we add a pet blank panther to the model. The generated image looks very good. Now we add a little something where we need it. Inside the blue box of this image, add a fox. It also did very well this time, adding a fox and removing the blue box. Moreover, the added fox keeps a consistent art style with the original picture. Now let's put multiple characters together and see. Having this super girl wearing blue clothing and the girl in a light blue skirt, drinking coffee together. We can also adjust one of the girls, changing her to red clothing and black hair. Such changes make us directly become the director. All the different characters in the picture, all kinds of props, can be manipulated by us at will. This is simply the highest demand of all image editing and animation production. Let's look at this kind of scene again. A model and a simple pose. We see this pose is also done very well. Let's look at this complex fighting scene. Roughly sketch the fighting actions. Let the two actors perform them. And the generated scene is just unbelievably realistic. From our testing up to now, we have found Banana's performance exceeded imagination. This is a really game changer. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to me. See you in the next video.